कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। दिस न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है brings you summary of the previous week, the session by session action that has panned out during this entire week, and what projections do we have for the upcoming week. So all these things, and a pretty exciting week this was, and let us take a summary how our projections in last market kya lagta hai video were. So last week we had seen that Nifty would remain in a range of 15,800 and 15,700. Nifty managed to break above this level and the target of 15,893 got completed, and from there it started to retrace. On the other hand, when we are talking about Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty range was between 35,500 and 35,000. Bank Nifty stayed within this range, it was well within the range, and the breakout never happened. It was a weaker kind of index in both these indices. Let's quickly go and see what was my today morning's message like. I keep on sharing my view for the day about indices on our growth model groups, and this is the message which I shared. Now along with this message there's a reference message in day before yesterday's action. So this is my Thursday's message which I'm referring to here, yesterday's message. So with Nifty showing a profit booking sign at 15,893 and intraday closing was about 15,767 and Bank Nifty closing was around 35,000. Okay, so these are signs of weakness, and Wednesday morning I had suggested that do not get into the trades, do not get into the bullish trades, and the bearish bias will go on. As we were looking at HDFC Duo, HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited and Reliance, all three were weak, which is not a good sign for bullish bias. And because of all these actions, we calculated intraday targets of about 15,715 and 15,660 for Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, the targets were 34,800 and 33,983. Now, if we go back to today's message, we'll realize that these three targets, two targets of Nifty and this one target of Bank Nifty got completed on Thursday itself, and this target got completed today. So let's go to today's message and try and understand the thought process behind what is happening on this day. So my understanding suggests that in yesterday's message we had talked about new bearish targets for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So these targets were completed. I'm talking about that. Today's closing will be important to see how the weekly candle is forming, right? And today's closing has confirmed us that towards the closing the buyers were aggressively bullish, and that was suggesting something else. Now if we look at this overall action, the ranges for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty were as like Nifty range was about 15,700 and 15,500, and range for Bank Nifty is between 35,000 and 34,500. So the correction phase is tricky to trade, and one must trade with smaller position sizing is something that I'm suggesting. There are many traders who made tremendous profits, good amount of profits, and based on those actions we are going to see what are the projections for the market. Now Nifty, this is a weekly chart, and if we quickly go back and come here on a hourly chart, we can see that this top, my levels are here. So this is the top that was formed in Nifty right now, and from here we are seeing a healthy higher low kind of a action, and from this higher low this recovery is very promising, and this is something is kind of giving me a little bullish bias. Okay, so we are looking at this action, and now that this range remains even more important. If we see a bullish bias, then in that case we may see a new high pretty soon, and if that does not happen and Nifty top do not get breached again, and if we break below this level, so a breakout is possible and a breakdown is possible. If we break down below this, then the next bearish target would be at a lower level. But for now, I think this range is going to be a very important range of 15,700 and 15,800, and a breakout in any direction will be very important or crucial. So the low that has been formed today, 15,450, is again a crucial level. As long as this low is being held, we may see a new high, and if this low is broken, then we may see a further bearish action. The intraday low of 18th June today is important. Cool. So this is one important level, and remember this range as well. As for Bank Nifty, when we look at this action, this is a weaker index and these are my levels. If I go quickly onto hourly chart, as you can see, this was the range that we had marked in previous week, and even here this target got completed. Now how do we calculate this target? Was a very simple method. During the intraday trades, we have to look for the targets, and I had calculated this target using this high and this low and this target which got completed. Now this is going to be an interesting and very important Fibonacci level. This is going to be a very important Fibonacci level. So if we close below this, then there will be a bearish action, but as long as we are holding on to this low, 33,983, as long as we are holding on to this level, it is going to be a bullish bias from here. Okay, so you have to remember this and trade cautiously in this phase, wherein the action is happening bit by bit and a very volatile kind of a market. So the action is not easy. I'm going to change the range for Bank Nifty a bit. So the range right now for Bank Nifty is 34,500 and 35,000. If we get a breakout, then pretty soon we'll see these targets getting completed. Okay, but for this week, the range will play a very crucial role. So the range for this week for Bank Nifty is going to be 34,500 and 35,000. So that's it, guys. If you like the videos that we create for market technical analysis, then do like and share our videos. If you feel like, do comment, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful week ahead.